Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must begin with an available admin account other than the one you plan to remove. This preserves full system control. Once signed into that account, open System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS, then go straight to Users and Groups. Make sure to click the padlock at the lower left and authenticate with your admin password. This unlocks editing. Now you're ready to select the target admin user in the list and proceed to removal options without interrupting system permissions. With the target admin selected, click the minus button below the user list to start deletion. Mac OS prompts you with clear choices. Choose Save the Home folder in a disk image to preserve files, don't change the home folder to leave it in /users, or delete the home folder to remove data permanently. Make your selection based on whether you need user files. After choosing, confirm the action. The account will be removed and group privileges revoked, keeping the system stable. Once the account is removed, restart the Mac to flush caches and update services so privileges reflect the change. Then check System Settings right arrow users to confirm the admin is gone, and inspect /users and file ownership. Reassign any orphaned files to a current admin if necessary. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, boot into Recovery, use Terminal to create an admin, or reset an admin password via your Apple ID. These steps restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.